Cell cycle and cell division. All organisms start their life from a single cell, that is zygote. Zygote undergoes repeated cell division to form the embryo. Embryo develops into a new organism. The sequence of events by which a cell divides into two daughter cells is termed a cell cycle. The duration of cell cycle can vary from organism to organism. Example, the cell cycle of yeast is about 90 minutes, but human cells divide once in every 24 hours. The cell cycle is divided into two phases, interphase and M phase. M phase is the phase where the actual cell division or mitotic division takes place. Interphase is the phase between two successive M phases, or it is the phase before M phase. M phase. M phase starts with nuclear division karyokinesis and ends with cytoplasmic division cytokinesis. Interphase. Interphase is the time period during which the cell is preparing for division. It is the longer phase when compared to M phase. The interphase lasts more than 95% duration of cell cycle. The interphase is divided into three phases: G1 phase or gap1 phase, S phase or synthesis phase, G2 phase or gap2 phase. During G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active and continuously grows. During S phase, DNA replication or DNA synthesis takes place. During this time, the amount of DNA per cell doubles. If the initial amount of DNA is denoted as 2C, then it increases to 4C. However, there is no increase in the chromosome number. If the cell had diploid or to a number of chromosomes at G1, after S phase, the number of chromosomes remained the same. During G2 phase, protein synthesis takes place and the cell growth continues. In animal cells, during S phase, DNA replication begins in the nucleus and centriole duplicates in the cytoplasm. Some cells in the adult animals do not exhibit cell division. Example, heart cells. Some cells divide occasionally as needed in replaced cells that have been lost because of injury or cell death. These cells do not divide further, exit G1 phase and enter into an inactive phase called quiescent phase or G0 phase. The cells in this stage remain metabolically active.